Good morning, children. Nana, open your course book. Term 1, open page number 816. Okay. Yesterday I have given homework for reading. So today we will read and we will write in practice book. Okay. So see children, phonic drill. What is this lesson? Phonic drill. Man, van, can, man, fan, pan. Now read. Van, can, man, fan, pan. E. Den, pen, men, ten, hen. Den, pen, men, ten, hen. Read with correct pronunciation, Nana. I. Pick, wick, fig, big, dig. Read with me. Pick, wick, fig, big, dig. Now see here. O. Pot, cot, dot, lot, hot. Pot, cot, dot, lot, hot. U. Hut, nut, gut, but, gut. Read. Hut, nut, gut, cut, but, gut. Now see down. A. Cat, bat, mat, rat, fat. Peck, leg, beg, egg, keg. Pin, win, tin, fin, bin. Top, mop, hop, pop, knob. Bun, gun, run, nun, sun. Completed no reading? Now open practice book, children. Now open your practice book. Open page number 16. Page number 16. See here, phonic drill, class work. Here, first we should trace out van, can, man, pan, fan. Right here, children. Van, V-A-N, van. C-A-N, can. M-A-N, man. P-A-N, pan. F-A-N, fan. Same. D-E-N, den. P-E-N, pen. Children, P-E-N, pen. M-E-N, man. T-E-N, ten. H-E-N, hen. Now here write, children. D-E-N, den. P-E-N, pen. M-E-N, man. T-E-N, ten. H-E-N, hen. Now see down here I. P-I-G, pick. W-I-G, wick. F-I-G, fig. B-I-G, big. D-I-G, dig. Now write down here. P-I-G, pig. W-I-G, wick. F-I-G, fig. B-I-G, big. D-I-G, dig. Completed now? After completing, keep date here. What is date, children? 2/4/24/0/2/2021. Okay? Write date. Now see here. Here also what is there, children? Phonic drill only, no? Now here also keep 2/4/0/2/2021. Keep date and write here also. Now see down, children. Ikkada down nenu enduku rayaledu? This is homework, no? So you only should write homework. So your homework is that you have to write class work and as well as homework in your practice book. Yes, no? Now write class work also. Here also. Trace out first. C-A-T, cat. B-A-T, bat. M-A-T, mat. R-A-T, rat. F-A-T, fat. Now write down. C-A-T, cat. B-A-T, bat. M-A-T, mat. R-A-T rat, F-A-T fat. Completed, no? Now see, trace out this also. P-E-G peck, L-E-G leg, B-E-G bag, E-G-G egg, K-E-G keg. We will write here P-E-G peg, L-E-G leg, B-E-G bag, E-G-G egg, K-E-G keg. Here P-I-N pin, W-I-N win, T-I-N tin, F-I-N fin, B-I-N bin. Right here P-I-N pin, W-I-N win, T-I-N tin, F-I-N fin, B-I-N bin. So completed, na children? You also write page number 16, 17 in your practice book and write page number 16, 17 homework also. Okay, down is there, no? P-O-T, pot, cot, dot, lot, heart. Hut, nut, cut, butt, gut. Here top, mop, hop, pop, cop. Bun, gun, run, nun, son. Yes, no? So you write this homework and as well as classwork. Okay, mention date and after writing take a photo and send it to my WhatsApp number, children. Okay, thank you.